A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I've got a very interesting guest, Mr. Tejas GC from Bloom Novotest Measuring and Testing Technology Private Limited. It's good to meet you, Tejas, after a gap of a month and so. We have met in many trade shows, events, and all. So I want to take this opportunity to have a discussion with you on the latest trends in manufacturing and other activities. But to begin with, I wanted to ask, can you let our audience know about you, what you do in Bloom?
Yeah, hello everyone. I am Tejas. I take care of sales activities for South Zone Region 1. We are basically a globally international company, we can say. Bloom is based in Germany and we have subsidiaries in more than 25 countries. So, Bloom India is established in 2011 and we have our own team for sales, service, and also application support in India. We are present in all 4 locations in India. Bangalore, we are based out of Bangalore as a head office, and we are present in Chennai, Pune, Gurgaon, and also we have recently started in Ahmedabad.
Oh,
And we are planning to add one more office in Hyderabad. So this is our operations currently, and we support all kind of manufacturing companies for leading cutting edge solution in tool measuring systems and work measuring systems.
okay. So, Tejas, what sort of solution you are catering to your end users? Secondly, what sort of industry you are right now supplying your technology? Which all industry uses your Bloom products?
Yeah, as I said, Bloom, we focus on productivity. So, where there is a manufacturing or machining of any parts on a VMC, HMC, turning and grinding machines, we support them. For example, automotive, aerospace, defense, medical, die and mold, and also electronics and electrical,
Okay.
all kind of sectors, even heavy engineering.
Okay.
So, a lot of industries we are supporting. Yeah.
And what sort of product portfolio you have? Any specific product for particular industry?
We are into like measuring. So when it comes to manufacturing any machines, needs this kind of technology to improve their accuracies and downtime of the machine.
Correct.
And nowadays, the operator intervention has to be come down to improve the productivity and to not to reject the jobs in the manufacturing. So it will cost time and also money.
Correct.
So based on this, we are working on the machines for measuring a tool with the laser-based tool setting system called LC50 Digilog.
Okay.
So it is our latest technology,
Okay.
and we keep on improving our technology every year.
Okay.
So we are a company. We always promote and also focus on solutions.
Oh,
So if there is any problem at the customer, we handle that to solve it and then proceed further. So this is the agenda what we work in.
okay.
Yeah.
And I see you attending a lot of exhibition, trade shows. You are also a part of many open houses. So, what sort of sentiment you are looking at, or what sort of sentiments are there for the people who are visiting or your customers? How they see this manufacturing industry growing? What sort of sentiment did those customers bring to you?
Yeah, so we are present in major exhibitions, and also we conduct open house.
Yes.
Open house is a little bit particular about the regions.
Correct.
The exhibitions, it's always all kind of customers comes in and checks what we are showing.
Correct.
And we always show the solutions in our stall.
Correct.
So we have a machine in our stall every exhibitions.
Correct.
And we show all the possibilities in the stall also.
Correct.
And we also do the test installations at the customer facility.
Okay.
So if there is any requirement from a customer or any parts to be proven, so we put our systems for demonstrations and we prove that application and then we proceed further.
Correct.
So it is a benefit to the customer that what he is going to get after the implementation, he gets to know before.
Correct.
So we make sure that what is Bloom and how it is going to help them.
Correct.
So then we will associate with them for future activities.
Correct.
And whoever started with us has continued with us from so long years.
Okay.
And we have already got highest repeat orders in case of any solution we made.
Okay.
So that's how we work with any customer.
Okay.
And open house is almost, as I said, it's a particular region based, and we call customers and we show like what are the new updated technologies we are coming with,
Correct.
and how it will be benefited with them in the own manufacturing, in their own manufacturing.
Correct.
So that's how we disseminate the information. Yeah.
And I see, because I know you from last so many years, I see you growing, multifolds as a, a person, as well as, in the industry as well. And skill development is something which, everybody is talking about. So the people who are joining, mechanical sector in different colleges, what will you tell them? Because, I would no, shame in saying mechanical is very, to begin with, it's the pay scale is not good as IT or maybe electrical and all.
Yeah.
So what will be you say to the people who are coming from mechanical industry joining the manufacturing sector? What will be your message? Is this what they should look at for their career in terms of skill development, especially people, the students which will join the workforce in manufacturing sector? What
Yeah.
are the challenges, and what is the opportunity you see?
So personally, if you ask me about my learning, so I started with Bloom in 2016
Okay.
as a fresh engineer.
Okay.
I passed out in 2015. I did design and then joined Bloom.
Okay.
So it is completely a new field for me in the manufacturing.
Okay.
So what sort of support I got from the company
Mhm.
is really unimaginable
Mhm.
from our management.
Mhm.
So every day it is like new things for me to learn.
Correct.
So it is up to us, like how we take an opportunity or see the involvement of us
Mhm.
in the projects.
Mhm.
So I feel like learning every day till now and
Okay.
also in the future.
Mhm.
So if you see, there are a lot of improvements which happened personally, even coming from mechanical department.
Okay.
So I know like how the manufacturing thing works and how the parts is machined.
Correct.
What are the importance of it? How to make it much better.
Correct.
So customer made me win in all the opportunities which I worked in.
Okay.
And I always be on customer side more.
Okay.
To support them and to understand their problems and their pain points,
Mhm.
to solve these kind of issues at their like at our customers.
Mhm.
So they only made me win in lot of my
Okay.
opportunities.
Okay.
So that's how I have grown.
Okay.
It is always a customer that they make us win.
Okay.
And considering the internal company for the skill,
Mhm.
we have training of two levels. One is a basic level of training and one is advanced training.
Mhm.
So we get to go to Germany or headquarter for basic level of training for all our engineers who
Okay.
start with us.
Okay.
They will be here for 6-8 months
Mhm.
for initial training from our seniors.
Mhm.
Then they will be sent to headquarter,
Okay.
and we provide them the training of that quality
Okay.
in Germany.
Okay.
And then they start working on that after coming back, and they learn it, and then we send them after again 2 years or 3 years for advanced training,
Okay.
because we work on all controllers and they need to know all the machines to
Correct.
handle.
Yes.
So that's how we work.
Okay.
And considering the industry, I speak regular to a lot of my customer
Okay.
regularly. So always I see there is opportunities and there are vacancies for good programmers, even for operators.
Okay.
So it is really not good to search for the employees every time.
Yes.
If I go to any company, the requirement after the discussion, he asked me for any good programmer
Okay.
or even an operator.
Yes.
So why this is happening? Because of other industries like IT or even other industries. So the focus on mechanical industry is a little bit less
Okay.
by young people.
Okay.
But
That
what I
means
would
the
say,
pay grade, the
Yeah.
money which other industries are
yeah,
offering.
yeah. But if you learn about like a skill
Okay.
along with the knowledge,
Okay.
the combination of skill and knowledge
Mhm.
will have the good possibility to gain in the future.
Okay.
So first 3 to 4 years they have to learn. And what I personally suggest young generation or young people who are coming from education,
Mhm.
that to take a training of practical training,
Mhm.
like programming. You can have a classes with the companies. So you can take a programming training, and you be there with internship at some customer.
Correct.
Okay, you work on stipend kind of a basis, and you learn at least 6 months and also work. So this will give them a practical training, and also which will add up a skill in their portfolio.
Correct.
So then they will be completely ready for the industry.
Mhm.
So this is very much required, and we are already working a little bit on that side.
Okay.
So this is how we work.
Okay. So to take a cue, growing in mechanical is like a marathon. It's not a sprint. Uh, in during your marathon, you will be learning new skills, programming, design. So at the end of the day, I have to take a cue. Tejas, working hard and hard work and dedication is something which I guess mechanical industry demands.
Yes.
Punctuality, hard work, uh, show up in time. My last question before we end this discussion: how do you see the? I don't need the numbers. How do you see the sales, or the market growing in your region in 2024? Because we are ending the last year cycle,
Yeah.
another 10 days to go. I know you will be very busy. So how do you see the market? Because you talk to customers, you meet customers day in day out.
Yeah.
In army they say boots on the ground.
Yeah.
Because you meet them day in day. How do you see the market growing, and your expectation in 2024?
Yeah. I'll add up a little bit about how we are going to do in the 2024. Before
Okay.
that, I would like to just give you some information from past
Okay.
10 years, like
Okay.
how we have grown.
Okay.
So we always be there with the customer,
Okay.
and who is a small customer or a big customer, we treat them with both at equal importance,
Okay.
and we support them in an equal way.
Okay.
So when there is a start, like in 2011 or after that, so we are with the customers who are having one machines, two machines.
Okay.
So now they are at 50 machines, 100
Oh.
machines.
Oh.
So whatever the solutions we have provided or the support which we have given, so based on that, Bloom product is a by default in their manufacturing.
Okay.
So if they are using a Bloom already, if they come up with upcoming requirement or a new machines they are going to add, so they definitely consider Bloom as a by default product for their upcoming machine.
Okay.
So this shows that customer today is aware of the technology,
Okay.
and he wants to also take advantage from the technology.
Okay.
So they are implementing everywhere in all kind of industry segments.
Okay.
So if you say like 2024, 23 just we're about to end, like we work from Jan to December, but
Okay.
we had a good 2023
Okay.
considering whole India
Yes.
and our region. And also 24, we are already seeing a lot of big investments, and also even MSME is also having a lot of investments.
Okay.
So we are also getting a lot of business from the MSME and also tier 2, tier 3 customer,
Oh.
and also the OEMs.
Okay.
So it is a good sentiment altogether for us as a business,
Okay.
and we are definitely looking for growing 2 times as we have done in 2023.
Okay.
So we are look forward to do that
Okay.
as a goal from Bloom Novotest India.
Correct. Thank you, Tejas. Customer sentiment is good. The MSME and the market is growing. Thank you, Tejas, for your time. And do reach out to Tejas GC from Bloom, and he can be reached at in LinkedIn. You must be having your profile.
Yeah.
Do reach out to him for your problem or solution which you are looking at. And have a great day, Tejas.
Thank you.
Looking forward to see you soon.
And thank you, Dinesh ji, for showing up and coming to show this things.
Correct.
And we welcome always. It's always pleasure to have you in our office. Thank you.
Thank you for your support, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.
You spoke well.
ठीक है,
अरे बेस्ट है.
क्योंकि वो